And so as long as somebody is increasing those sort of active listening and participation skills, they should become phenomenal on the phone, and their earnings potential and their marketability should be limitless.
What are some examples of bad habits people come in with?
I think that what happens is they'll give up too easily. I think if a phone call, if someone hangs up on you, that's finite. But if somebody is there, and even if they are, let's say their tone may be aggressive, you can adjust that compared to matching that. We spoke about more diplomatic vocabulary. But then again, if somebody can use deductive reasoning and do listening twice, speaking one, I can almost know what you know, and then focusing my attention on that for you. And a lot of the times people will leave a door open. They will just be rushing so much to get an appointment or to get a yes out of somebody that they overlooked an area where they could have done a follow-up question or gotten some more information out of it. But I will tell you what's a terrible habit that certain companies do. They only communicate with their clients via chat or email. And that's okay in certain circumstances if you have to fill out a form first to be able to get assistance. But in my opinion, what can happen is it can elevate stress. If you're not speaking with a client, you're eliminating any chance for retention, a referral, and upsell